Wow. Damn. I'm about to change. Probably here to be too. Really good. Right. Yeah, what's the thing? Lullaby? Away? What the fuck is that? How did you get that? Like Private Tarot?
These Metro. They make their shit up.
What the fuck is that? It says who away? It's like who away? It looks good though, but like I never heard it. Alright. Splendid. Oh my god, yeah. I saw the third person, like Bob Gold. Fucking reach the cold in the asshole. Make her walk on top holes for my dinner. Coming out the kitchen. That's where I keep that bitch in the fucking cage. It's fucking amazing. I'm like a fucking demon. And I'm staining the game because I'm colored like shit. And I'm fucking around. Fucking like bitch. Damn, this is fucking terrible. What the fuck? Why can't I rap? I can't. I fucking suck. Huh?